Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Philips S5305 speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix your Bluetooth pairing issues. At first make sure that your speaker is charged and is turned on. If it's turned on, you have to check this blue light indicator. Now you have to check if you're connected. As you can see, if you are connected. If you are not, you have to connect the speaker. If it doesn't help you, you have to disable and enable Bluetooth back in your phone. Now you have to click on your speaker to connect to this back. If it doesn't help for you, you have to turn the speaker down and up. To do this, you have to click on this power button over here. Once again. As you can see, it should work. If it doesn't work for you, you have to hard reset this device or contact this device support. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.